Sana ano, ito ka negro eh. Oh my God. Pangiti-ngiti yung kuwan.
Oo siya. Dua lang ya.
Paano na lang kaya buwasan sa mga. Hi, Marlene Lanuhan. Hello. Are you Tagalog? I'm not Bisaya. I can speak Tagalog. I'm from Bicol. Thank you. Jose. Like, maluto pa lang. Maluto pa lang. Dali ah. Dali agad. Gabriel!
Gaya kita. Ano kayong gaya mo?
Sige.
Ano? Saan ka? Ay, nagsalang sundo to si Tita si. Tawagyan ko na ng isa. May nakuha mo na? Diin. nagdududa na kung ako hinatay ko ba sa'yo mo, Jerry? Ay, doon na nga naman ako. Sinapag mo ba talaga?
Pagka naisip ko ay, wala, kaya naisip ko, ano na pag nangyari ko talaga?
Magabi ate.
Basta pag tapos kong gamitan, hinahatag ko sa'yo. Nag-iisip na ako, hinatag ko ba talaga?
Inisip ko parang kinuhaan ko ini kagabi kasi ma-practice nga ako kasi sinabihan ako ni Sir Fred kagabi mag-practice ka sa scooter. Sabihan ako ni Bunso, inirugirog ko pala ini sa diho kagabi. Kaya doon si Bunso oh. Inirugirog ko pala ini din sa kagabi ka istorya ko sa kuya diyan to dito mawawara ya di lang
Di
yan.
malilimutan man liwat ako.
Ay ko inirugirog ko pala ini sa to kagabi. Ay ko din ko dito na ako na. Ay di lang ito eh. Alala ko paano kagabi kay sabi ni Grace ako, di ka na nag-practice na hugak ako tas inirugirog ko pala ini sa diho. Kaya nagabang ako ubos doon ang tao. Ay ko, wala ito pag-asa maubos ang tao didi. Really, Martinez. So how's your day going? My day going is having a good day. Nice day. Calm day. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. I'm doing live again. Really. Thank you. Thank you for someone kuhan me. How dare him ask to open the blouse? Well, if I open the blouse, they will disappointed because too small.
Parang ulit si Sheila.
Hera na?
Una niya.
Ang sulutong ko yun doon.
Nano?
Ang sulutong ko doon.
Ba?
I like small.
Ayun ha. Hanggang nag-istila ka, habok ko man sa kat-istil.
Malay yun.
Ay, so, bata mo. Yan, tara. Naray na nabot-bot na huwa.
Naroy ako magtanggi kay simbahan, di ba? Oh wait, my wife has small lol.
Oh, baseball. Pakirok na ako. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Kuhain.
What's my name? Excited to wear the dress. I felt nervous because oh my god, many people look at me when I'm walking. Faith Didar. Hi, Faith Didar. Well, we all look at you anyway. But thank you, Sir Fred.
Tuway lang yung pagkakalong. Kapag matikod ka, tuway lang.
Ay, bisko.
I was dying inside. Oh, I called it through. I called it through.
Ha? Wala pa mang kwarta. Wala, naglalakaw pa lang ng papel. Papel pa lang ang nilalakaw. Gastos pa mo na. Magastos mo na mama ko ang kwarta. Ay.
Kaya may ano na ka mo? Mapi-out naman. Because side, why wow?
Wala pa pagsunog na. Nag-ano ka din, Bol? Nag-ano ka din?
Because side. That I feel
Paglamat ka pala.
inside. I was dying inside.
Hindi ka lang nag-abre halata.
I was dying inside.
Di ka nag-abre halata.
I want to go to see you. You want to go to see me for a wedding day on October. Because the wedding is on October.
Ay, marami sinabihan ko kagabi sa ating isla.
Di, nabati ko lang ang gabi. Sabi mo, may luto ka
Dito,
na.
ang isusulat na siguro, bilakaw ko pa yan sa kahapon. Para bago ko, isulat ka gabi, yakan na isulat kita, yan.
Ano bati ko lang ito?
Ay, man ang luto, girl.
Subong sa ito sa pasakay na.
O, dad, may ibra ka tabi, ha? Ma, o, hindi ko sinabi.
May kasi lang. Hindi yun. Ngayon ba rin ka?
Kaya nagbulag sa taray. Yan, di man rin na taray.
Ano pa ma? Ambot dito sa nadami po.
Hi, Sharon! And Cheryl is still here and no Mike. Yeah, Mike is sleeping. Sleeping. Mike, when taking medicine, he sleep a lot.
Ito ganong pa yan?
Sore eyes.
Saragday.
Ha?
Ay, nang saragday sa...
Bakit?
Ito, di ba may saragday kasi na natag?
Ito sa rin.
Hindi, ito na mga pang-ubo.
Ay, ito magkakamamay. Ano, pwede ito para dito makaturog. Pwede ito si Papa isagpil sa ubo para makaturog siya. Kulog siya. Yan, yung bakal ko yun sa ano.
Sisi?
Yan. Yan ang extra sa dahil.
3,000 lang yan?
Mike is
Dua kasi
sleeping
ako, ano
because
kasi?
he have a sore
Pare,
eyes,
saan na
2
dua?
eyes. And then I'm going to shut my mouth. It's fine. I understand. I'm not one. I understand about the talking about something like that. I'm not offended because
Kanino yun?
I
Bakit
like
ito
that.
sila? Bakit isla?
Ang kahapon, nagbakal ako isda, irugson ang itsura.
Naluto?
Ilaw.
Hindi, naluto ugang.
Ano ba?
Hindi, linuto.
Diri niluto aga.
Pwede mo yan, ubos, nagbiri
So
lang,
this
bawasan
one
lang yan.
says, ano,
Kaya ko na yun, por kata. Bariyo, ano yun?
and
Buhunak sila dun sa tiyan.
Shannon
Tumindot
shut
na.
her mouth, that's joke. Nice meeting you, Kobe. I'm back for a few.
Siwang ko lang.
Ano? Gotten. Andrew. My Kwan, my nephew talked to me, maybe you hear the ano, and then the Kwan.
Ama, may tago ka dun, no?
Na,
Nakaputang sa pabilog.
na,
Dito sa bintana.
takmaran.
Okay, na ito. Padi, inuruyag ng
Ma,
sa kanila.
malalampasan ko yun na erog sa diho, pero andi diho, papabayaan ko na yun.
Ano rin?
Maano ko ito sa erog sa diho, pero yan niya diho, papabayaan ko na. Parang tatanggapin ko yung sama na yun.
Nawad ka na dapat. Sikitan mo na dito.
Lima,
Oo.
akay lima punong ka, ora ka pa man.
I'm just scrolling through live stream. Thank you, Kobe. Shut up, Fred. You talk, I talk.
Naman ano, pasili.
Lol, siya.
Ha?
Ay, tricky. Tapos ang kanigab pa. Tulo kong kanigab.
Santino, di ba?
Ha?
Santino.
Oo.
Madara Cruz.
Oh, madara ako, Cruz.
Lalo yung may cruz pa.
Mo yun talaga ni Dadara?
Oo.
Maski saan mga nakaagi
Oo.
pa. Aray, kaya na daw. Tama kayo. I knew she shouldn't shut up, lol. Oo, doon.
Pagmamagin sa kanila tayo.
Ha? Ha?
May misa baga doon ha, alas 4.
Oo.
Mami din natulis kami niyan, kay mami natulak ko.
It's all fun, Shannon. My daughter had this audacity to be mad when my husband was work and no one watched her baby. The audacity. I'm not mad, Fred. You know me. Yes. No need to mad. No tampo.
Di rin maulian to. Nagwa? Magkasawa?
Dili magapong puno sa dito. Kay,
Ang parang itang nila, bago bulan din nga.
busy ito.
Hindi ko na paalam. Nahatag sila.
But daughter is the mother. But daughter is the mother. Oh my God, you live for yeah. I feel sorry for Joy. Oh, it's so fine. You know what? Even I'm poor, I'm confident that I having a peace of mind because I living without this degrade other people. Something. Well, feel sorry. No need to feel sorry because I live happy here, even I'm poor. So that's why I feel so sorry for you, Anonymous, because your attitude is not appropriate here. So maybe you're going to another channel and you need to find the rich people having a good life same like you, because here my channel is just the real people here. I don't like fake people pretending they are rich. They are rich by look but poor at attitude. Yeah. Thank you, Shannon. Bye, Anonymous. Another wants to marry you. Who? Last chance to be respectful. She'll live healthy life, yes. No need to getting a rich. What? So what if I'm living a poor? Are you living a good life but you are a pig? Yeah. And you don't having a peace of mind. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you so much. Oh. Yes, faith. Not poor. It's okay to being a poor, but uh, happy life. At least I eat a lot. Something like I'm not poor now because I having a 76 diamonds. I'm poor and happy. Yeah, something like that. You're more healthy than many Americans. You know how to deal with. Yes. Thank you, Shana. Me and Mike living at the farm. We need to grow the pigs, the plants for our food, something like that. Beer. So you're out of vodka. What's next, Shannon? Beer. I have wine too, yes.
Ewan ko lang yan din pa.
Ha?
Ewan.
Ikaw. Ikaw mo.
Ikaw.
Okay lang ako. Na-stress ako dito sa kuwan. Kahanap. Pero sa isip ko, naisip ko si Dada. Nasabihan pala ako ni Dada kagabi sin. Hindi ka na nag-practice. Irog-irog pa ako pala sa ano. Kaya karahanap ako. Ulit-ulit na ako sing kahanap dito sa bag na yan. Kaya naalala ko, sabi ni Sir Fred, oh, when you get your practice the scooter. Sabi ko, wala ka lang practice ako sa scooter. Kaya sabihan, Sir Fred.
Duda na ako sa sarili ko. Malilimutan ko na ito. Talaga.
And I can always come my for more beer. Grabe naman yun, Sir. Sir Fred. I do JD, I'm done. I grew up on a farm. Me too. I grew up on a farm at the mountain, planting vegetable and selling vegetable when I'm young. Too young. Okay, so you have backup. My Jack Daniel is backup if I ever run out beer. Wow. Today I have a backup. Can find my phone charger. Damn, kid to get. And I'm always come Mike for more beer. Oh my gulay. Cheryl, GD is a Jack Daniel drink. Oh, really? I didn't. I want to try Jack Daniels beer. Jack Daniels. Ano mo yun? It's a wine, Sir Fred. It's a wine that Jack Daniels. It's dark liquor and knocks me on my ass. It's strong, sure. It's strong. It's strong than Mike. I prepare light. Me too. I prepare light. I like Sunmig apple. I mix with Coke. Okay. No, sure. It's very strong. Very strong. Very strong than Mike. Tastes like a barrel of oak. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, something like. Wack Daniels is whiskey. Okay, Wack Daniels is whiskey. Something like that. Jack Daniels, I meant. Tastes like a tree. Oh, a tree. Wow. It tastes like something like something like the one that grows in the land. Ah, okay. I never tested the tree, so I don't know. Me too. Big and tall in the leaf. Maybe a coconut, something like the coconut. A tuba. Tastes like the tuba here in Lambanog. Like a tree sa Lambanog. Coconut. Kwan. Liquor. I ate tree bark as a kid. You crazy siya, no? Oh my god, I'm too slow. Oh, I was hungry. I sent the bags. It's so agile.
Gusto na mga
The bugs. Oh my god. What the Tastes good. Parehas pala sila, ano, ang bulong man ni Mike, javelin man, pero iba man. Sa nerve pala talaga. Sa mga papay sa nerve. Parehas sila. Pwede ito si papay dito sa, ano, dito punta ako ha. Dito sa may, ano dito. Kaya mga ito, ano makan may, sa Amerika, parang, kay sa nerve yan to.
Ano rin?
Andun sa may Sorico. Sa nerve yun eh. Parang mga aparatos na yung butang. Sa may Sorico banda, may nagpipirila ba doon?
Oo.
Na ibuburutang din na ano, parang machine. Free lang yun. I was lying. Nakaon ka na, Pai? Nakaon ka na? Wala pa, di pa nagluto pa ang luto. I passed the shit for one more hunger. My God. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Too funny. Okay, I need back to mowing. See you later again. Thank you, Sir Fred. No. I can't imagine, Shannon. Enjoy the lawn like you gonna mow it. Oh my gulay. Shannon, you're funny.
Pa.
I have been Shannon already put a video out of some. Sticker Shannon, maybe see you later. Yeah, see you later on your live. Not all the time, but thank you.
Ada sige, ya di binutang ko dito sa uluhan mo. Kada na ako, luto. Luto. Kaya mo.
A later, brother.
Ha? Dan yung babae, sarang yun ang buo. Wala yung snack.
Oh, where do you get your water from? Miss that your yes, my father. Thankful because my father can sit down on his own, not like before. Need to carry him, need to assist like the back. So now maybe he felt a little better. Not yet much better, but I a little better. He looks so skinny like my father-in-law. Yeah, skinny because loss of appetite to eat. The water here, we have a what the water source of here in our town is from the barangay where I live. So that's why the water here is running water from the mountain, something like that. Yeah, same as mine. Yeah, hard to eat. Yeah, and then the food to serve for him is different than we eat because his uh, his illness is something it's really difficult to explain, like having an arthritis. If need to make more small like a grinder la, yeah, something like that. It easy to swallow, like less continuous swallow, no need to swallow continuous eat, then need to, yeah. Yes, more water, less chunky, yeah. Thank you, Shannon. Now I know your Shannon is funny, and then I think a good something like you have a oh my god. I used to work in a home for old people. We made food like that all the time. Yeah, like different food served for the uh, illness people. Like my father. We don't need to serve like galonggong, different food because of his. If he eat like not good for his health, he attacks it. He felt too much pain, so that's why. Like what do you call them? No need more carbohydrates. No need more too much sodium, something like that. Diabetes. He's not diabetic. He's not. His pressure is a little bit low blood pressure because lack of he not sleep well most at night. No salt, yeah, no salt, no sugar. So, no salt, no sugar. What else? Just rice on water. Fish with like soap with and then he can like the cranberry. Mike said good for the health. This the cranberry expensive here, but It's good for the health. The calories is only 5%. The sodium is 2%. The fat is total fat zero. This is the nutrition facts. The fat is zero fat, 0%. Total carbohydrates is just 1%. So the protein, the vitamin C is 20%. This is good. The cranberry is very good. Yeah, the cranberry.
Kaya ako na lang yung ako lang. So, ano na. Tapos, tingin kayo butang ng tarot. Hindi, kumanin doon. Ano yan? Parang kumain lang at nila mada.
It is better. That's all that matters. Yeah.
Maturog ka.
You look like you were going to have a shower, but yeah. Because 1 o'clock we're going to having me to make up, like put the little makeup like this for event tonight. I will go to, yeah.
Dito si...
Yes! Okay. Bye po. Bye-bye siya. Hi! Hi!
Nagkakaroon pa sila la?
Ang buti ito sa likod. Agtupad ka mo. Kapoy mo sa mga siya. Agtupad. Agtupad ka mo. Natupad din ang mga pangarap. Bye, Shannon. Thank you so much. Need to shower. Thank you